Understand angles on a straight line and angles at a point. Pause the video and have a go at examples 7 through to 10. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. That's half a turn, half of 360. So if we've got an angle A and B, together they make up a straight line, which is 180 degrees. And two angles that add up to make 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. Find the size of angle Y. When you're doing these questions, you might be able to get the value of Y straight away, but I would encourage you to try to form equations to do so, because that'll develop your equation work. And quite often when you get to GCSE, you have to do harder questions that involve forming equations. So here we would say that the Y plus the 124 would make 180. And what do we do to find out Y? We need to take away the 124 from the 180. Or if you look at that as an equation, the Y plus 124 equals 180. We want to get rid of the 124, so we take 124 off both sides. And you end up with Y is equal to 56 degrees. Number 8. Write down two angles which are supplementary. So supplementary angles are the ones that add to 180. They're the ones that will be on a straight line. So G and H, they're on a straight line. So there's one answer. Another answer you could have would be C and F. They form a straight line. On the other side of that, there was D and E. So they also would work. And there's actually more, because you can look at the straight line C and D. Run out of space for all these answers. You only need to have one answer. And E and F, they're on a straight line. So they are all supplementary angles. Angles around a point add to 360 degrees. That's your full turn. So if you had 53 plus 80 plus 140 plus 87, that would equal 360. Example 9, we have three angles there which make a full turn, which make 360. So if we add them together, add the X, the 90, and the 125, we should get a full turn, which is 360. Before we solve that to find X, we can add the 125 and the 90, this bit here, to make 215. And then X is going to be whatever's left over from 360 when you take off 215. So as an equation, we take 215 off both sides. And we'll be left with X on the left, 360 minus 215 on the right, which would give you 145. A quick check is just to see, does that size of that answer make sense? This is an obtuse angle, so it should be bigger than 90 and less than 180, and it is, it's 145. Number 10, find the size of angle Q. So these three angles are around a point, so we'd have Q plus the other one, which is Q plus 250, and they equal 360. Now the Q and the Q would add together to give you 2Q, so you'd have 2Q plus 250 equals 360. What would the 2Q be equal to? If we take 250 off both sides, we would find that 2Q is 360 minus 250, which is 110. And then Q is going to be half of that. So we divide both sides by 2. And you get that Q is 55 degrees. An acute angle, which it does look like.